Hi, hello to everyone. In this video, I'm going to solve a problem from circles. Okay. The question is, if the two circle equations are given, cut orthogonally, then find the value of k. Okay. First, the main point in this question is cut orthogonally. This is the main information about the angles of two circles when they intersect. Okay. If they cut orthogonally, the angle between them must be 90 degrees. And what is the actual formula? Theta equal to cos inverse of r1 square plus r2 square minus d square by 2r1 r2. And we can write this as cos theta equal to mod of r1 square plus r2 square minus d square by 2r1 r2. But here theta we got 90. So cos 90 equal to formula r1 square plus r2 square minus d square by 2r1 r2. But cos 90 equals to 0. So what we will get? 2r1 r2 comes the other side. 0 into 2r1 r2 is 0. So what left? r1 square plus r2 square minus d square equal to 0. I brought d square to other side. It becomes r1 square plus r2 square equals to d square. Now coming to finding the center and radius of each circle. So here we have any circle equation must be in the form of this. This is the normal form. Based on this we have to maintain. So here we are having x square y square coefficients 2. So I divide this equation by 2. I got this equation, and so to finding the center we have 2g 2f. So 2g equal to minus 3 by 2, 2f equals to 3. If you calculate, you will get g equal to minus 3 by 4, f equal to 3 by 2. That becomes the center, which is minus g minus f. And this you will get 3 by 4, and this you will get minus 3 by 2. From this we can find the radius. What is the formula? Root of g square plus f square minus c. Using these values, here this becomes 9 by 16, this becomes 9 by 4, and here we have, what is the constant? K by 2, right? So here sorry, the LCM will be 16. We will get 9 plus 4 in 16 4 times. So 9 4s are 36 minus 2 in 16 8 times. So we will get 8k. So R1 equal to root of 45 minus 8k by 60. Next, coming to the second equation, we will get center 2 comma minus 5 and radius root 13. If you calculate in the previous same, in that way if we find, we will get those values for C2 and R2. Now coming to the distance between centers. Okay, what is the distance between 2 points? Formula root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Using these 2 points, we will find that, if we find that, we will get root 221 by 4. So but from the first equation one, what we have? r1 square plus r2 square equal to d square. What is r1? Root of 45 minus 8k by 4. r2 is root 13 and d equal to root 221 by 4. Substitute those values. Here square roots get cancels and remains 45 minus 8k by 16 plus 13 equal to 221 by 16. Here we can take the LCM and we will got this. So denominators both get cancelled and remains 253 minus 8k equal to 221. 253 minus 221 equal to 8k, and this becomes 32 equal to 8k, k equal to 32 by 8, which we got the value of k 4. Understood? If you have any doubts, specify that in the comment section, and don't get confused. Small mistakes you will get, but see them carefully and check the problem. Okay, if you have any doubts, specify that in the comment section.